Can I have a stir stick and tissue? Okay. And a tissue. Yeah, I'm sloppy. Yeah, I eat with my fingers. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm trying out a different coffee shop today. Now look at this. This looks like it's off. Or is that the screen that's off? I can't tell. Doesn't make any difference. It don't make any difference. No. Trying some coffee place. One that I haven't been to before. I'm on the inside of it. We got some lady selling some stuff out in front over here. Hey, we'll give you a quick peek of what the lady's selling out there. I don't know if you can pick up on that or not. No. It's stay of face detection. Okay. Let me shut this off and reset my settings. Yes, people are putting up holiday decorations. Okay. It's called an art space, and they sell coffee and art. I wonder if Andy Warhol is around. Yeah, I think people have never even heard of Andy Warhol. He was an artist. Kind of messy artist, messy life. But he made a lot of money, boy. Ooh, did he make money? He was from that New York City, Greenwich Village scene. Yeah, that was Andy Warhol. He had a cast of characters. He read from the Velvet Underground. All kinds of weird people. Yep. Some guy back in the 60s invented a video camera that no one ever heard of. And he gave it to Andy Warhol to use. Can you imagine that? What would you do if you would have had the first video camera ever? Put it down in the comments. Tell me what you would have done if you would have had the first video camera ever. Then in one of my following videos, I'll tell you what Andy Warhol did with his. Yeah. And if you were D.A. Pennybaker, okay, tell me, what bands would you have put in your film? That's another cool question. I was standing next to him in the bullpen of a KISS concert. Yep, he was there with a 16mm camera. This was before all you guys had video cameras in the nightclubs, shooting this and shooting that, and that crap and this crap, and you passed up a lot of good stuff. But all the stuff that I shot, I have a lot of good stuff on video. In fact, I think I'll leave you a link to some of those pages down below. I'll leave it in the comments section. And I know another artist filmmaker. Probably never heard of him. Conrad Works. Yeah. Yeah, in the last remaining years of his life, he spent in Thailand, of all places. Yeah. Conrad Works, Chapaquidda, that movie he shot down in Greenwich Village. He had the thugs in it. And I think his big mistake, though, he also shot the opening band for the thugs, but never used them in his film. His opening band were the thugs, the Young Rascals. Can you believe that? The Young Rascals opening for the thugs, and Conrad Works shot footage of them and never used it. Well, I don't know. I think that's one of the big mistakes of his career. I know he did a 7-camera shoot with Siddhartha. You know, I still think, you know, being a heavy metal fan and doo-wop fan and all that kind of stuff, yeah, I think Conrad could have put the Rascals in one of his films and maybe people would have known of him today. Oh well. Yeah, let's show you this place. But I'm just going to put this stuff behind me, because if it's behind me, we might not get a copyright strike. You see back on the wall back over there, there's all kinds of art. You know, this is a coffee shop. A coffee shop, yeah, we don't need that buckaroo place anymore. No. You got coffee shops with art. Okay. Now, unfortunately, I hit face detection somehow, and I got this ugly face, you know. But look, this is all that pretty stuff behind me. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Keeps my face in pretty good. Guess the face detection's working. Oh, well. Yeah, I think you had enough of this today. I'm a little crooked. Oh, is that the camera crooked? Yeah, the camera's crooked. Okay, of course it's crooked when the camera's crooked. Okay. You'd be crooked too if the camera was crooked.